Well, I'd like to say it's been a great day, but it's been bleak and miserable. Rain, then a bit of wind, then a bit of rain, then a bit of wind. So it's not, yeah, no one else is stupid enough to be down here today. Anyway, I am, so let's see what we've got. Black sand, of course, my nemesis. Okay, maybe there was nothing. Wow, I thought I had something, but it's very difficult. Okay, you know what? Maybe just no, nothing. Okay, so there is something here. What there is a really sharp shell which I've just stood on with my foot is killing me now. Unbelievable. It's one of those days, I guess. Yeah, it's a lot of pain. Anyway, it was here. Can't believe that I stood on this stupid thing. Okay, anyway, it was there. 15. Right, so there's something there. Please let it not be a bottle cap. Oh, my foot. Oh, there we go. Oh, look. Oh, yeah, okay, alright, it's worth it. Is that a $2 coin? Is that a $2 coin? Oh, actually, you know what? No, I think that... Is that an old 20-cent piece? Yes, it is. You can just see the 20 there. It's an old 20-cent piece. Okay, well... Yeah, alright, it's something. Unbelievably, I stood on that shell again. I kicked it to the side, but then I thought I found something else, and then I stepped back and I stood on the same shell with my same foot. So now I have two parts of my foot that are sore. Yeah. Black sand playing havoc with things here. And I'm being eaten by little midgies as well. Anyway, I'm feeling pretty confident about this one. I think this is a bit of a section that is partly being exposed by the rain or the tide, I don't know, something like that. Is it? What's that? No, just a shell. So I'm going to dig down, and I think it could be a coin by the sounds of it. So let's dig it up and find out. That would be nice. This is the one coin. Another midge. Ouch. Nasty little things. Right, so it's out. Okay, good. That didn't take very long at all. Oh, man, my foot is so sore now. Only got myself to blame. Oh, it's a coin, it is too. Look at that, it's a coin. You beauty. Alright, okay, we've got... Oh, you know what? I think that's an old 10-cent piece, it is too. It's an old 10-cent piece. Wow, okay, cool. Oh, no, I'm saying the wow again. Yeah, okay. Gosh, look at that, it's an old 10-cent piece. Just the 2 coins so far. Rain stopped and sun is, well, kind of out. Anyway, I had something here. It might be something. It's 99 though, so not a great signal. Where is it? No, here? No, is it out? I'm pretty sure I got it out. Okay. Yeah, 9. So not great, but too low to be a bottle cap. Hello? Oh, it's a coin, it's a coin. Alrighty, okay. It is, oh, that looks like a, no Oh dear, 5-cent piece, yeah, okay. Old 5-cent piece. That's an old 20, an old 10 and an old 5. Okay, definitely on the right track for old coins. Alrighty, 3 coins in a couple of hours, so it's been a bit of a long stretch. This could be where my luck changes though. It's in the 20s. That's usually a good sign. I'm excited about that. I haven't had anything in the 20s today at all. It's all been under. Let's just give it a quick kick. Still there. What about a bit more? Maybe just under the surface. Nope, not under the surface. Alright, well, it is under the surface, but not very close to the top. Let's just get the old spade out and get digging. Sorry about the camera work there, that would have been a little bit hard on the old inner ear. I was expecting this just to be another tin can or something, so didn't actually have the spade out. Oh, there we go, out. Huh, alright. Right, there it is. Okay, in we go with the handy dandy pinpointer. Switched on? Yep, switched on. Many times I've done that. Haven't actually switched the blinking thing on. It's a coin, okay, great. It's a coin. I've got no idea. Could be. Well, you know what? I'll call it. I reckon that is an old 10-cent piece. I think it is. Yeah, that's my call. Right, okay, well, it's almost home time. I've got to head off soon, it's getting late. But I think I've got another 10-15 minutes in me. Hole wasn't too bad. Is that the spade? Yeah, okay, it's the spade, so it's out. 21, 30, 22. Actually, you know what? 22, 22. Ooh, I wonder if that's a $2 coin. Okay, this could be my first legal tender of the day. When was it? About here somewhere? Yeah. Oh, it's gold. Oh, it's a $1 coin. Okay, well, I'm saying it's only a $1 coin, but that's still a good find, a $1 coin. Cool. Okay, well, I thought it might have been a $2 coin, but yeah, I'll take a $1 coin. Right, I'm doing my usual trick of trying to avoid digging a hole. There was something here. It's in the 30s, so I don't think, pretty sure it's out. Yeah, it's out. Okay, now hang on. No, she's out. Right. That's the iron sand again. I hate this stuff. Okay, hate's the wrong word to use, but it certainly makes it more challenging. Okay, I had nothing. No. Ah, it's a coin. Okay, alrighty. All is forgiven, black sand. I reckon that is a new 10-cent piece. I'll call it new 10-cent piece. Well, Well, I'm on my way back to the car, but I detect as I go back, and I found this guy here. Well, I haven't found him, but $14. What about this way? Could be a couple of things. We'll start here first. Right, okay, so that wasn't too bad, not too much digging. Reasonable size. The weird thing is, it's still giving me something here. But I know... Wow. Losing my touch. And I can hear it. Right, okay, yep, I hear it. So here, something. Oh, there it is, saw it, yep, got it. Okay, that is a new 50-cent piece. Okay, good, so that's fine, we've got one, but I think there's something else in here. Let's just go over this again. Okay, so nothing out, but the trouble is, it's getting hard to dig down there now with the water starting to come in. It could even just be black sand, I don't know, to think about it. And the tide's coming in, of course. I only had to walk 10 feet from there. I think I've got a $2 or $1 coin here. Let's listen to this. 22. Look at that, solid. That's $2 or $1. Okay, well, I'm not walking past that. Okay, so tide is coming in, which is going to be a problem pretty soon. Yep, right here. I think that's $2. Come on, $2. Nice way to end the day. Look at that. $2. That's the third $2 coin I found here. Not today, but I found two $2 coins the other day. Wow, that's great. Oh no, not another wow. I'm really self-conscious about that. My wife gave me some stick about it. But does that sound like there's something else in here? Black sand or... No, I don't think so. Alright, just the $2.